Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and we have been working with a realtor here in Devonport, Claremont, Champions Gate, and he has some houses, especially big houses, that is long-term furnished vacation homes. So at the end of the lease, he called me to do a deep cleaning. Sometimes we do the carpet, the tile and grout. I have previous videos on our website, on our YouTube channel and Facebook. In this opportunity, he gave me an empty house that he was remodeled. I'm not sure if that's the realtor who bought it or he's working for another client. The house was in really bad shape, really bad condition. The bathroom had mold, paint, some soap scum on the shower, on the walls, on the glass. So it was a really big job. Right now I'm showing the before and after. It took us 2 days to finish this job. The first day we have to remove everything that was garbage or things that doesn't belong into the house. As you see right now, there is some painting on the sink. I'm pretty sure that in that house it was some kids, because in all the areas you can see crayons, graffitis, many things. So it was tough to remove that on the surface, especially on the bathroom cabinets under the sink. We use proper equipment. We use microfiber cloth, backpack vacuum, HEPA filtration, the right products. Our company is anyhousecleaning.com, and you can call us at 407-572-4118. We serve Champions Gate, Davenport, Aberdale, Polk County, Winter Garden, Winter Haven, Dr. Phillips, Orlando. Basically, we are in all Central Florida. We are a small multi-service cleaning provider in Central Florida. We not only provide maid service, housekeeping, but we also do heavy duty, move in, move out. We cover a lot of houses in Central Florida. Most of our clients are really happy with us. Most of our business is based by recommendation. You can do your research by looking to our name, Any House Cleaning in Champions Gate. Right now, I'm putting some photos and videos all together showing you the before and after. In that house, they paint, they put new carpets, the house was destroyed, the floor was horrible, and the kitchen, in I think minute 8 or 9, you will see the photos of before and after the kitchen. Inna was the person that was cleaning the kitchen. She took a lot of hours, more than 10 hours to complete just the kitchen. Juan Carlos covered all the bathrooms and the dusting. Elizabeth helped us with one of the bathrooms. I did the refrigerator. It was a really big job. All the medicine cabinets was dirty, and not only dirty, it was with paint, magic markers, crayons, a lot of things. It's impossible for us to show you every single detail that we work with. Another thing is, it takes us a lot of time not only to clean, but take photo, record. The client that I have right now, the realtor, really loves the fact that I record and I do the remix, because he has like the proof of how much he paid us to the client or the previous owner of say that bathroom was in really bad condition. That bathroom needs a recap. Hilda was the person in charge of doing the kitchen. She was so proud of her job that she was taking some photo for herself to show in, I don't know, relative or family, I don't know. But she also sent me back some photo before and after. You can see. But even if I show you the video, even if I give you all my material, you cannot realize how bad was the kitchen. The situation was really bad. We had to use a lot of degreaser, microfiber cloth. Juan Carlos was also doing the bathrooms. Can you see in that photo how greasy it is? Cleaning the stove takes time. You may think, okay, it's a self-oven cleaner. No. When I did the estimate, I put a lot of product inside, and after 2 weeks, I have to put more products. You can see the results right now. So it was really bad. The refrigerator in that house was bad. A lot of mold stains on the refrigerator. You cannot imagine. Even a picture doesn't describe how bad it was. The smell, the strong smell. I had to pull out the refrigerator in order to clean it outside for more efficiency way. A lot of magic erasers it took, antibacterial. We were in a team of Hilda, Juan Carlos, and me, Fiorella. We covered pretty much all the house. We covered the kitchen, we covered the refrigerator, and the 4 bathrooms, and some dusting. On the second day, we went back to finish floors, windows inside and out, and you will see that. And right now you are seeing some photos and videos of before and after the kitchen. Even though you can see that, you cannot realize how bad it was and how much time Hilda spent to clean that stuff. I was really impressive of her job. You can call us again at 407-572-4118 for any questions. We cover pretty much all Central Florida. We have an excellent review in our Facebook page. We have a big channel for more than 2,000 subscribers. We have almost 1,000 videos upload of our previous jobs for the past, oh my God, 19 years? No, I'm sorry, 9 years. Yeah, 9 years, more, almost. Right now I have like 970 or 80 videos. So do your research, take your time, hire us. We are not cheap, okay, but we do an excellent job. You will be more than happy with our services. We are a small team, but we work really good. We are friendly, pet friendly. We live in the area. I don't know what else to say. Perfect. The only thing is that we are looking for a reliable client in the area. You can call us for any questions to see if we are the right company to hire. Schedule the cleaning in advance because we have a couple clients that we have to manage the days. So our agenda is really tight. Just call us in advance. In that, right now is showing the floor. The floor in the house has paint, dust, dirt. The kids were drawing with crayons all the floor. Oh my God, the realtor had to paint and do everything from top to bottom. I'm really glad that the realtor hired us and give us the opportunity to show him our job. So this realtor sent me a lot of houses on the week. The blinds are done. Light fixtures. everything is free of dust and paint.